What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Out on the river today for a little evening trip. Come down here a couple weeks ago and had a great day on the water. Caught a lot of fish, but it's had a cold front past couple mornings, and it's been warming up in the evening, but been pretty cold in the morning. Had a lot of rain last week, and water's high. It's a good color to it. It's not real clear, but it's kind of perfect in my opinion, but it is high, and don't know what these fish are going to be doing. We got strong storms headed in tonight around dark, so I'm gonna get out here and see if I can catch a few fish and get out of here before the storms hit. Throw a spinner bait and probably a chatterbait and probably a buzz bait later on. I don't know if they'll hit the top water yet or not. Water's still cold down here on the river, but there's a fish right there. First one. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna see if I can a little spotted bass on spinner bait. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna get out here and see if I can catch some of these guys right here, maybe some bigger ones, and get out here before the storms hit. So y'all come along with me and let's catch some more fish. Pretty decent river spot, guys. Had him on the spinner bait. Little guy. About flipped over. Stood over in that slack water. Felt like a small one, but thought I had like a brim or like a bluegill or something on there, but he was just in that current swimming toward me. Probably a pound and a half, good little river fish. There he is. Ooh, big one. Ooh, good fish. Good fish. Oh, he broke me off. Golly. Big old largemouth. Broke my line. Probably should have retied. Dang, he hammered that thing. That's a good fish right there. Probably should have retied. There it is. How big he is. Oh, he's little. Little spotted bass. On that Booyah spinnerbait. He was out away from the bank in that current seam. Current coming down through there's a little seam. He was laying about 15 foot off the bank. Another one, a little small one, a little red-eye bass. Little red-eye bass. There he is. Oh, another little small red-eye bass. There he is, that's a good one. Oh yeah, big fish right there. Bigger. Come on. Gracious alive. Took my trailer hook. I don't know if I think I had that trailer hook on there right. Took my trailer hook. Might have been 2.5 pounds. There he is, guys, on the buzz bait. Spotted bass. Good big guy. Definitely not catching the quality I was. I threw that buzz bait earlier. Can't get a bite on it. Sun's going down now. They may hit it. I don't know. The water's pretty cold in the river still, so he definitely wanted it. There he is. A little bitty one. Little spotted bass. Little guy. And the spinnerbait. Definitely not catching the quality like I did last time. A couple weeks ago. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's trip. Short trip today. Only about 3 hours. Caught a few fish. Most of them were small. Didn't have the quality like I did last time. Water is up a lot more. A lot more current. It's not dirty though. It's stained a little bit, but yeah, I caught a few. I had a pretty good one on a spinnerbait. He broke my line. He was probably the biggest one of the day, and then lost another pretty good one. He didn't break my line, but he took my trailer hook. I must have hooked him just on the trailer hook, and that little rubber piece on there must have been wore out, but that hook came off. That's the first time that's ever happened to me. I never had that happen to me before, but ended up catching a few more small ones, and just to get out here on the river, I love doing it, and get out here for 3 or 4 hours and catch a few fish. It's always a good thing, but I'm gonna have to get out of here early. We got some rain moving in, some thunderstorms, so I'm fixing to load up and head to the house. I appreciate y'all watching and sticking with me. I appreciate all the new subscribers for joining the channel. It really means a lot to me. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you next time.